Hey Booze! Today we are making my famous fried green tomatoes. And you've probably ordered these in southern restaurants or had them in the south. They're super easy to make. I make mine crunchy, spiced perfectly, and pretty delicious. Let's get into it.
You want to start by cracking a few eggs into a bowl and hitting it with a little hot sauce just to give it some personality. In a separate bowl, add your cornmeal, your flour, some panko breadcrumbs, or regular if that's all you've got, and mix it up really good. Season it how you like it, Booze. All the seasoning I use is in the recipe, but use what you got. If they're hard to find, you might have to look at a specialty grocery store, but we found them. I sliced them up, gave them a little salt and pepper on both sides because ain't nothing bland in my house. And now it's time to dredge. I start first in the flour, then I add to the egg mixture, and then into the cornmeal coating. Press it in, making sure it's fully coated and covered. We want that crunch to really show up. Now it's time for the fun part. I got some oil heating in a skillet, and I want it to hit around 350 because then that will make sure that these stay super crisp, but also don't burn. And then if the temperature is too low, then it's gonna end up getting super soggy. Drop it like it's hot, y'all. Fry on both sides until nice and golden. Then add to a wire rack over paper towels and let them drain.
So here are our beautiful finished fried green tomatoes. You can see how crunchy they are, golden brown. We fried them just right, okay? And I'm pairing them with a remoulade sauce. You can pair it with whatever. You can even eat them on their own because they are so good. Let me prove it to you. Baby, you got that hint of spice we added to the eggs with the hot sauce, and then we added a little kick of cayenne in there too. That's for the people who ain't afraid of a little spice, okay? And then we flavored it top to bottom. You are getting flavor in every single bite of this, from the breading to the actual tomatoes. And it was so easy to make. You got to try the recipe, y'all. You can find it at grandbaby-cakes.com, and you got to get into this right away. See you later.